What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today is another custom build PC website. This one is called Digital Storm. I've first seen this morning in Nadeshot's video. I don't know if any of you guys follow him, but this isn't a sponsored video by any means. I just seen the video and liked it. So I thought he said about customization with computers and all that. So what I thought I'd do was do a price evaluation on how much it'd be to build one from these guys and get it shipped over. Now the only thing he had in his video, in his computer that he bought or got given to him, whichever it may have been, the only thing he had in the setup that he has is the liquid cooling system. Now, as you guys would remember from the previous two video websites I did, I want to avoid that because there's a few things to me personally that are sketchy with the liquid cooling system, in the fact of it could crack and burst and go through the whole system, and a whole heap of safety things, and knowing that water and computers don't go together. It's pretty simple, really. So yeah, without further ado, this is a website that I haven't had to play around with yet, so we're all going to learn something today. So let's get started. Alright, now down here it's got different sections. It's got desktops, laptops, workstations, and the community section. What I want to do is go to desktops, because as soon as I get a desktop set up, what I want to do is backup and transfer the stuff from my laptop over to the PC, and just keep the laptop for personal use and stuff like that. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, the desktops they have available is the first one is the Vanquish 5, starting at $878. Yeah, there's not really that much more detail about it. Then it goes up to the Bolt 3, starting at $1,811. Then there's the Apollo, starting at $1,813. Now this is the one that that Nadeshot had, the Aventum 3, which is $39.23 starting at. Then also they have the Velox, which is $23.27. The Aura, I think that's how you say that one, at $2,551. The Hailstorm 2 at $3,719, and there's the Slade, which is starting at $1,771. So personally, like just looking around and stuff like that, I know I could probably change things up, so yeah, but what I might do is I'll start off as a bit of a budget build, starting off with the Vanquish 5, and go from there. So what we'll do, I'll select this case and we'll go from there, and maybe in future videos I might do a couple more. I'm not 100% sure yet. I'll see how this video goes. So let's get started. Okay, here we go. After nearly 3 minutes, just over 3.5 minutes of loading and crashing, I've decided. So let's see what we can do to this thing. Alright, they've got the good, better, best and ultimate versions. I know it's going to be at least a couple thousand, a few thousand after it's done, so what I might do is probably come back to the better, maybe up to the best. Yeah, I'll go for the best, and yeah, maybe later on I'll do another video with the ultimate setup, but for now I'll go for best, and hopefully it doesn't crash again. Okay, after about another 2 minutes of loading, I'll probably cut most of that out. Alright, so here we go. We've gone with the Vanquish 5 case, the Digital Storm Vanquish 5 chassis. So yeah, I think we can change this as well, which there's no point because there's nothing else. Now the processor, we should be able to change that. I'll change that to the into the i7 4 GHz unlocked quad core. Motherboard stays as is by the looks of it. Now the system memory, we've got this 16 gig DDR4 Digital Storm Performance series. We'll see what else we can put in it. Now I'm thinking maybe I was thinking of doing just an all-out top of the range budget build, but what I might do actually is maybe go for the 64 gig DDR4 Digital Storm Performance series. Now for storage and connectivity, we can have all this sort of stuff here. Which I reckon for now I'll leave that out. I'll put the reader in there. I'll put the internal digital media card reader in there for sure, so I can do SD card, micro SD, and any other flash drives or media drives. Alright, now I can go from if I wanted to, I could go from the internal DVD CD DVD writer at 24 times, CD writer 48, whatever that is. I do know a bit about it, but yeah. Yeah, I think I'll keep that on there. There's nothing else that really takes much. I think I'll upgrade it from, it's got the 240 gig solid state drive. I might upgrade that to maybe the 2 terabyte Samsung the 2TB Samsung 850 Evo solid state. I'll keep that as is. Now the 1TB, which may seem pretty good. It should be good. But what I might do is chuck in a. I'll see what else is here. There's a pretty good selection. There's a very long selection here. Yeah, I'll chuck a Western Digital 2TB in there. For storage 3, I'll chuck in a yep, I'll chuck in the, where is it? The 2TB SSD, the 2TB Samsung 850 Pro. I'll chuck that in there, and internet access. Now I'm not 100% sure about the difference of all these, but yeah, I'll just chuck in the I'll see what else is there. I've just highlighted that one. Actually, I might chuck in the AC86. Now for the graphics, they've given me for stock, they've given me the GeForce GTX 1070 Asus Turbo. Now the 1070 looks pretty good. What I might do is I'm thinking either the 1080 or the Titan X. I might chuck the 1080 on there for now and maybe come back later. Sound card. Definitely want to chuck in the Sound Blaster Z. No, I'll chuck in the I'll chuck in the Sound Blaster ZXR. I don't know about the compatibility. Now with the extreme cooling, not too happy with the liquid cooling system, but we will have a look at it maybe. No. Alright, now they got yeah, I'll just see how it goes, see how it is from here. Now we've got cable management, so I think I'll get or leave it as the premium cable management. For better airflow, internal lighting, that's all controlled on that. You'll see you'll have a control which you can change it all up and everything. Now for the chassis fan, I reckon the thermal take ring RGB fans would be good, I reckon. Now for the CPU boost, I'll definitely put that in. Graphics boost, definitely put that in. And the operating system boost, put that in, maybe. Now operating system, here we go. Now I can have that as Windows 7 Professional, or I can have it as Windows 10 Professional, or keep it as Windows Home. I'll keep it as Windows Home for now. Now for recovery tools, factory reset feature plus installation disk. I'm assuming that's going to come with the disk, so I'll just leave that as is. Virus protection, no, I will not use McAfee. I will go with my own and go through AVG as I mentioned. Now for the Office suite, I will go for home and business because it'll be for most likely be for both personal and maybe future business, if anything. And apparently we can't get any. Alright, branded gear. That's all the apparel. Yep, I don't really want any of that stuff. Display. I'll take the I'll definitely take the wide angle. I love the curved wide angle look. Surge protector. Yep, chuck that in there. Audio. Now, what I'll do is actually yep, I'll chuck in the Logitech unless I find something better. Keyboard, I'll go for a Razer setup with the keyboard, and same with the mouse. Now here we go for the warranties. We want a lifetime warranty with expert care with 6 years limited warranty, 6-year labour and 4-year parts replacement. Definitely go for that. We get tech support, we get upgrades, assembly, stress testing, quality control, special packaging, and certificate of ownership. Now, in the build comments, I can put something in there myself. I can put in there maybe asking about any swap outs I can do with the cooling system. Priority build for an extra $250. Definitely do that. So if we go to add to cart, I hope I don't actually have to pay for this now, because I can't really afford it. But yeah, with everything here we go, we'll calculate the shipping as well. I'm in Australia, I'm in South Australia. I'll just do localized. I thought it shows it there as well. Now it'll be 486. Oh, it'll be 312.92 plus 174.24. So yeah, I think that might be about right. So what I'll do is I'll highlight that, copy it, and I'll chuck it in a note. And I'll chuck this in that same note. Now, in the near this part, or near the end of the video when I do the editing, I will chuck in the conversion. But yeah, for everything that we ordered, plus the warranty and the free NVIDIA bundle, apparently, the whole computer with all of this in it that we chose, might swap a couple of things out, I don't know, but yeah, $7,748 in total, plus the shipping. So yeah, I'll end the video and get to editing, do the conversion, and yeah, see how it all turns out. So if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and feel free to leave any comments or feedback down below. I'll definitely take it into account and apply it where need be. So yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.